Welcome, and thanks for joining us for a demonstration of how to respond to a tentative nonconfirmation, or TNC, in Everify. While in most cases, Everify will instantly verify your employee's employment eligibility, sometimes the information you entered in Everify doesn't match government records. When this happens, Everify will display a TNC result, and you're required to follow a series of steps that ensures your employee has an opportunity to resolve the mismatch. It's important to understand that a TNC is not a final case result and does not mean that your employee isn't authorized to work in the United States. In our example, we created a case in Everify for our employee, George Washington, and Everify displayed a Social Security Administration Tentative Nonconfirmation, or SSA TNC, along with the reason for the mismatch. After we've read the information, we'll click Continue to begin the TNC process. First, notify your employee of the TNC case result in private. To do this, you must first print the TNC notice, which is offered in English and Spanish. Review the TNC notice with your employee and make sure that you both sign it. The signed notice serves as documentation that you notified your employee of the TNC and must be kept on file with his or her Form I-9. Before continuing, you must confirm that you have notified your employee of the TNC by checking the box and then clicking Continue. The next step depends on the employee's decision to either contest or not contest the TNC. To contest means to take the action to follow up with SSA to resolve the record's mismatch, and to not contest means the employee chooses not to take action. If your employee chooses to contest, then you must refer your employee to SSA to resolve the TNC. If your employee chooses not to contest, you must close the case. In our example, the employee chose to contest the TNC, so we'll click Continue. We're now ready to refer the case to SSA. To refer the case, click Refer Case. This starts the 8 federal government workdays that the employee has to visit an SSA field office. But we're not done yet. Once you refer a case, you must print a referral letter for the employee. Once again, Everify allows you to print the letter in either English or Spanish. Next, review the letter with your employee in private and ensure that both you and your employee sign and date the letter. Be sure to give this letter to your employee, as he or she will need to take it to the SSA field office. After you have finished these steps, click Continue. After your employee is referred to SSA, Everify alerts you to an update in the status of the case through the Case Status Alerts feature on the Everify homepage. You can expect to see an update within 10 federal government workdays after you've referred the case. Sometimes, Everify needs more than 10 federal government workdays and will display a case in continuance result. If this happens, you must allow your employee to continue working until Everify provides a final case result. So there you have it. Fast, free, and easy to use. That's Everify, the best way companies can ensure a legal workforce.